Once you've downloaded the GroupMail installation file, right-click on it and choose Run as Administrator. Next, select the language that you want to install GroupMail in and click on OK. Click on Next. Here, read through the license agreement and once satisfied, click on the I accept the agreement to proceed. Click Next. There are some release notes here that you can browse through, containing all the latest updates and fixes. Then click on Next. We're going to install GroupMail to the default path, and then click Next. Here you can select the components that you want to install. These are the add-ons, templates, Outlook toolbar, and dictionaries. Click on Next. And here you can create a shortcut for your GroupMail on your Start menu. We'll accept the default and click Next. If you wish to create a desktop icon, you can do so, and then click on Next. Finally then, click on the Install button, and this will start the GroupMail installation process. It will automatically close any programs that it needs to close, and it will proceed with the installation. If you already have GroupMail data, it will not overwrite it. And once it's finished, then we recommend restarting your computer before using the application. Click on Yes, restart the computer now, and press Finish.